Welcome. This is an unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Now, for the last couple weeks, we've seen plenty of videos on these guys, but they were in the white color, so this is going to be more so just an unboxing and taking a look at the black ones now that the retail version is out, today being March 8th. So let's take a look. So inside your box, you're going to have a little thing of accessories. Now this is all in black, so we're going to have a black USB-C to USB-A cable. We get a couple sizes of ear tips and also the other part that will help these to potentially fit better in your ears. Also have another little Samsung box. And in honor of Flossie, pluck them, file them. Let's check out the buds. Wow, this is tiny. This is a very small case. Apologize for all the sun, it's hard to see the Samsung branding. There you go. Samsung on the front. Very light, very lightweight. Not much to them. Not sure what else to show you as a reference. This is here's the buds. Here's the Galaxy Note 9. There's your size comparison. No, cannot do the power share that everybody's been raving about, but that's fine. Let's check these out. Now let's see if we got any juice in these guys. Let's see if we can just open the case right up and get right into the action with the buds. So let's see here. We got our Note 9 open and ready. There we go. Looks like the buds are charging. And there we go. Just got our notification. A new device has been detected. So we're going to connect. And I think some other people had a few steps to get through this, but once you set these up for the first time, then you won't have to go through this process again. But it looks like they've already paired. I just saw the volume level up at the top. Congrats on your new Galaxy Buds. So we're going to agree. Manage notifications. We'll just jump through that. Get to know your Galaxy Buds. So as you guys know, this isn't a full in-depth review, but you can use touch controls on these buds to change tracks, change your volume, all those kind of things. So I think this is a huge part of purchasing these buds, is having the integration with the Samsung devices, similar to AirPods and iPhone. You are able to simply open your case and put them in and they're automatically connected, or you put them back in the case and you're done. So we can actually see on here that we have some battery juice in these. You have an EQ, so if you want to tailor your sounds one way or another, you can do that. I mean, most people probably are going straight to the bass boost, which we will follow suit and put that right on to bass boost. So if you really do want to see something more in depth, just let me know in the comments. Otherwise, what we're here to take a look at is the black version of these Galaxy Buds. So we got 3 different sizes. We can take these guys out. And there you go. These guys are pretty tiny. I can hold them in my hand for you. Those are the buds themselves. Okay, I can do a comparison. These are the Bose Sound Sports. So they do have a bit of a larger part on the end there aside from the earpiece. So just to compare in size, if you guys can see this all right, there's your size comparison. You can see that the Galaxy Buds are definitely smaller than these Sound Sports, and you can, even that angle there really gives you a good kind of idea of the size difference. So that is another factor of buying these. You're buying these for the relatively cheaper price than AirPods, for the convenience, for using the Samsung Wear features. You have the small pill-shaped size case that you can wirelessly charge, and also has a USB Type-C port on the back. So they're at the USB-C standard. Now that we've set them up, let's see if we put them back inside of the case. You can see when that red light is on that they are charging. So we'll go ahead and close these guys up, and then you can see there again there's another red light to show that these guys are charging up. Now that we have them in here, let's say you've had these away for a while and you want to come back and you want to listen to some music, you can go ahead, open these up. We open them up, and there you go. So there's your My Galaxy Buds. It shows you the left and right battery percentages of each one. If you were to use just one and leave one in the case, then that's why it'd be good to know the battery life of both. And then you also saw right after that pop-up came up that at the top it showed the volume level of the buds so that you know what your volume level is at. So it's not an instantaneous kind of thing, but by the time you open the case up and take these out and put them in your ears, then you're going to have that connectivity and you're going to be ready to go. So let's just do a little quick, since I did say this is first impressions, we'll pop them in once and throw on a song. So just open Spotify here. Got my Headhunters, I love hardstyle. Just gonna pop these guys out. There we go. Already connected. Just pop them right in. Okay, wow. So I can say that for the average consumer, these guys are definitely sufficient. These guys definitely get the job done. I put them on to max volume and tried them at max volume, and they are definitely plenty loud enough. One thing I can compare to again with the Sound Sports is that at max volume, you're still kind of wishing that they would be just a little bit louder. So I would always find myself going to the volume and trying to pump up the volume on these guys, and they just couldn't get there. But these guys at max volume, it is more than enough, so you can turn it down a few clicks and still hear everything very well. I'm really happy about that. Also, when you're done listening, you can just put these guys inside of the case, close it up, and I notice it does take a couple seconds, but you can see then that the music does pause. So it turns off your buds, turns off your music, and then these guys will get charging up again. So overall, first impressions, very impressed with these Samsung Galaxy Buds, really happy I grabbed these. If you're on the fence and you have a Samsung device, just go ahead and buy them. You will definitely get your money's worth. If you have another non-Samsung device, I can't definitively say, yes, go and buy these. So I would check out some other videos or check out some other people's experiences on other devices. But with that said, if you enjoyed this, let me know if you want to see a follow-up video. If not, leave a like on your way out. And thank you very much for watching. Take care.